Are you looking for the best cell phone gaming triggers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gaming triggers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cosmos Mobile Gaming Trigger Controller. The Cosmos Gaming Trigger enhances your mobile gaming experience, particularly for PUBG Mobile. With its highly sensitive physical buttons, you can effortlessly move, aim, and shoot simultaneously, giving you a competitive edge. It's compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, accommodating phones with screens ranging from 4.5 to 6.5 inches, even with cases or screen protectors. The installation process is straightforward as it requires no batteries or power supply, and the improved phone clip ensures stability during intense gaming moments. Plus, it features a low screen occupation design, allowing you to maintain a clear view of the action. What we like: easy simultaneous actions, wide device compatibility, no batteries needed, clear screen view, stable design. Number 2. Newseego Mobile Game Controllers. The Newseego game triggers enhance your mobile gaming experience by allowing you to move, aim, and shoot simultaneously using your index fingers. This eliminates the hassle of relying solely on your thumbs, making gameplay smoother. With high sensitivity, these triggers require no extra power or drivers, ensuring easy setup and precision during intense gaming sessions. The snap-in design keeps everything stable, preventing any misalignment while you play. Plus, the adjustable thickness accommodates various phone sizes, even with cases, protecting your device from damage. What we like: improved gameplay control, high sensitivity and precision, stable snap-in design, adjustable for different phones. Number 3. 13-in-1 PUBG Mobile Triggers Combo. The 13-in-1 PUBG Mobile Triggers Combo is a perfect fit for shooting games such as PUBG, Call of Duty and Fortnite. The mobile game controllers are compatible with iPhone, iPad and most Android phones, without even removing the phone case. The mechanical touch triggers are responsive with greater durability, fast mechanical keys with medium resistance, and tactile bump feedback. The 4-trigger PUBG mobile controller is portable and lightweight for gaming anywhere and anytime, with the ability to use 6 fingers for all operations, providing an ultimate gaming experience. What we like: compatible with iPhone, iPad and most Android phones. Easy to use and high precision. Portable and lightweight. Number 4. Sunmike PUBG Mobile Game Triggers. The Sunmike mobile game triggers are designed to enhance your gaming experience on PUBG Mobile and other popular games. With a clip-on design, these triggers easily attach to your phone without damaging the screen, ensuring a snug fit. They are highly responsive, providing tactile feedback that allows you to aim and shoot with precision. Their lightweight and compact nature makes them ideal for gaming on the go, whether you're at home, traveling, or at a party. Enjoy prolonged gaming sessions without discomfort thanks to their ergonomic design, which helps reduce fatigue. What we like: compatible with popular mobile games. Easy clip-on installation. Highly responsive buttons. Lightweight and portable. Ergonomic design for comfort. Number 5. Generic 2022 Mobile Game Controller. The generic mobile game trigger enhances your gaming experience with its thoughtful design and features. The back clip design makes it easy to use with curved screens, ensuring responsiveness in all shooting games. Its durable construction and ergonomic shape provide comfort during long gaming sessions. With highly sensitive contacts, you can control your character with 6 fingers, allowing for smooth movement while shooting. Additionally, the soft silicone pad ensures a secure fit on your phone, preventing any slips during intense gameplay. Enjoy a competitive edge and immersive play with this innovative game controller. What we like: responsive back clip design, durable and ergonomic build, highly sensitive contacts, secure fit with silicone pad.